It's Friday and I'm window shopping only at Burlington. Keep that in mind, window shopping only. Of course, I found some things at Burlington. You always find things at Burlington. And this is actually not in my size. It's a 2X. It's smaller than I'd like. I definitely wanted it to fit a little bit looser, but I love the cutouts in this dress. Now, I know you're thinking it's cold where you're at. I'm in Florida, and most of the time we do have really nice weather, so we can kind of pull this off. We can even pull this off in 70-degree weather with a jacket on, you know, and maybe some nice little boots or something like that. But this outfit is only $5.99, so you can't pass it up. It is really, really soft. So it looks like a t-shirt material, but it's even softer than a t-shirt material. So yeah, this is real thin as well, but luckily it is not see-through. This outfit also has these adjustable ties in the front. It's neither here nor there. They're just part of the cutout. They really could have left that out. However, if you want to pull your cutout a little bit closer, you can, but it really doesn't make a huge difference. Just wanted to show you the functionality of these ties. It probably does make a difference whether they're there or not. I just didn't really see a use for them other than just ties dangling. You can move around in this dress a lot. It does stretch a lot. You can bend down in the dress. I wouldn't do that, but just in case you do have to pick something up, then it's a go, ladies. You can move around, jump, jog, walk, and it's not really rising anywhere. So you're good. I only saw this dress in brown. I did not look for other colors in other sizes. This dress is in a maroon color. I was told that there was red and green, but I did not find those colors. I really like this dress. It's another cutout. Remember, cutouts are a part of this season, or the trend this year, where we're going to be wearing a lot of cutouts. This also has that really soft t-shirt material, which really isn't a t-shirt, but it has a really soft, stretchy material that when you wash it, you probably don't really have to worry about it shrinking up too much because it is a lot of stretch. This dress is pretty easy to wear and figure out. You can wear the sleeves off the shoulder, and as you can see, I'm moving my arms up and down and it's not going up. So it stays in place, and you can also wear them up on your shoulder as well as if it's just a regular t-shirt with like the square neck. It does show a lot of cleavage, so keep in mind of your bra coverage. I would wear a push-up. And although I like the sleeves up, I of course prefer the sleeves to be off the shoulder. I think it is just a little bit more grown and sexy. I would wear this on a date night or something like that. I probably wouldn't wear this out as far as like a nightclub because it's super long. And not that it's basic or anything, but it just doesn't seem like something I would wear in the club. This dress is only $8.99, so you would definitely be beautiful on a budget. Now this dress is more nightclub material. It's just your basic bodycon sweater dress. It is a sweater material. It has a bunch of those gold sticky rhinestones. Well, they're not sticky. They're actually infused into the material or into the fabric in a design. It's kind of hard to see the design, but hopefully you can see it pretty well. It's just black with the gold rhinestones, and again, those rhinestones are embedded into the fabric. I ran my hand across them just to see if any one of them will loosen up, but it seems like it is a pretty sturdy design. I'm not for sure what it would be like once you watched it, but this dress wasn't nothing but like $18.99. I think it is well worth, you know, you to purchase to wear for like maybe this year's New Year's Eve parties coming up at the end of the year, or the Christmas parties. There will not be any bending over in this dress. You absolutely cannot. It will show everything. So I wouldn't do that if I were you. I would use your normal, curtsy pickup. You know how you're supposed to pick up. If you ever went to etiquette class, then you know that this is how you pick up things. But yeah, this is definitely a cute little dress that I will wear with some tall black heels, or even some black boots in this season right now, because it's still cold outside everywhere. Florida is not cold. However, as of right now, 2 o'clock on the 13th, Friday the 13th, January 13th, it is 64 degrees outside. So I would definitely be able to wear this today, as it is a little cooler than normal. Alright, so the pants and the blazer on this outfit did not come together, but it definitely matches pretty well. Please don't pay attention to the red tag on the back. I didn't want to rip it off because, once again, I'm window shopping. These pants are pretty tight. They are a 3X and they're $9.99. And then the jacket was $17.99. It's just your basic blazer with no pockets. But I thought this would be a cute outfit to put together. And of course, wear some black heels with it. I do have some black heels with some sparkles in it, so I will definitely try that on for you as well. I would have on a shirt, but I could not find a tank top, unfortunately. And what I have on is a tank top not conducive to what I have on when I came in today. So I wasn't thinking undershirt for this, but your girl like me will wear this just like this, with a beautiful sparkly bra top that I actually do sell at my shop, Weekend Dimes. So that's something that you can put with this. It's my blinged out bra, and it would go really good with this. It's black. It has harnesses on it, or it's kind of like a garter. So yeah, that is something that you can wear with this. Or you could just wear like a tank top with like a color pop underneath to make it even better. Alright, so we're still working with the same exact pants for $9.99. They're size 3X. They are pretty tight. And then the shirt is just a red lace shirt with a red under top. It's kind of like a bandeau top. It is sewn to the top, so you can't move it, adjust it. For me personally, it's cut a little bit too high. I wish that the bandeau top started a little bit lower to maybe show some cleavage, because this is just way too much coverage for me. The shirt is cute. It's just like not my style. I do love the bell sleeves. And like I said, the entire shirt has lace on it. It is definitely something I had to pick up and try on in this haul, because like I said, it is really bright and vibrant, and who doesn't love lace? The sleeves, like I said, are bell, and it fits pretty loose. Lace can sometimes be aggravating, but it didn't seem like it was aggravating, probably because it is so loose. It doesn't have much stretch to it, but it's still pretty comfortable. Once again, we are working with the same exact pants, and this shirt, or this actual jacket, was also $17.99. This is a size 3X. I like it. It's the houndstooth pattern, like the checkerboard pattern. What I'm like most about this is the black trim on the sleeves, at the bottom. I thought, at the cuffs basically, I thought that was very, that was constructed well. That was a nice touch to the jacket. What I wish they would have done was done the actual collar the same way as black. That would have made this jacket pop. I think that black does need to be at the top to kind of offset all the black and white. So I will wear a black tank top underneath this. I always enjoy doing these videos for you. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more from different stores, because I got you. In the meantime, make sure that you like this video, comment below, and also subscribe to my channel so that you can see more, because I definitely love doing this for you.